what's up, y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Another shoe video as well. You guys are loving the shoe videos, the shoe customizing videos. So I do have another pair of Air Forces, white Air Forces that I'm going to be doing. The customer on this shoe wants a gradient of red and black on the toe here and here. They want a name right here, off-white style laces, rope laces. So the fully loaded shoe, let's get into it. You guys already know with any pair of shoes that we do, we remove these laces before we do anything to the shoe. What we are going to do. Then you guys need to know that after we get our laces out, we're gonna hit the shoe with acetone. Anywhere that we are gonna lay paint at, we wanna place acetone. We wanna get rid of the factory sealant that they may have on the shoe. So just take your cotton swab, swab it on the shoe. It all taped up. What I'm going to do next is get the color that I want. So like I said, we're gonna do red and black. So we are going to start with the red because red is the lightest color out of the colors. We are going to mix this in a mixing cup with my too thin. Once that is done, we're gonna place it inside of the airbrush. Now we are ready to airbrush. Again, always apply thin layers of paint at a time. Since we are doing a gradient paint, you only want to airbrush where your first color is going. Then we'll apply the darker colors later. Got that initial first red color down. What I'm gonna do next is add a drop of black in here in my airbrush. And then we're gonna go ahead and try to make a middle bar right here. So I mix black paint in with my red, one drop at a time, all the way up until I get my darkest color, in my case, which would be the black. Oh my God. Once I get all that tape off, I like to go around with my paintbrush and the paint that I've used to kind of get the places that tape may have been covering or the airbrush can't hit. All right, y'all. So now we are going to do the laces. Customer wants rope laces. So what we are going to do is I'm going to use the softer rope laces this time. I do have this rope laces. These are more stiff. I like the softer ones better. In this case, we're going to be using these rope laces just because they want these red, easier to dye kind of through on the softer laces that I have. So what I'm going to do is the shoelace that it came with, we're just going to line it up, go all the way down, measure it out where it stops. I like to add a couple of inches to it. I'll grab my tape and then wrap it around. Take my scissors and cut. And then we need two laces, so we're gonna do the same exact thing, just following this lace now. We'll go ahead and dye these laces. I use the Rit dye. They want these red. So I'm gonna do is go do that process. Basically all I do is boil the water, put the dye in there, soak the laces in there until I get that desired color. Then I'll take them out and then dry them. Once those are in the dryer, I'll actually come back to the shoe. I paint this Nike sign red with my paintbrush, and then I start on the lettering that they want on the bottom of the shoe. So I send it to my Cricut, get it cut out with my Cricut, and then I will use this as the stencil on the shoe. Heat gun helps it stick to the shoe a little bit more. Then I will take my airbrush and airbrush, again, thin, light layers, peel off. This is so satisfying. When the paint job is all done, don't forget to go in with your finisher. Here are the laces. They are done. I put tape at the end of them just so it's easier to pull through the loopholes. But now I gotta make the holes a little bit bigger. So I got these drill bits. Use my drill and make a bigger hole slowly. I don't have it marked. I have to see where I want the hole to be. So I gotta do it carefully. Let's see if that works. And it does. So now I know how far to drill in. I will tape off, and that I will use that as my guide for the rest of the holes on the shoe. All right, y'all, the last thing that I have to add on here is that they want the off-white laces as well. So before, I'm gonna mark where I want my holes to be at, and then I am going to drill out with the drill the holes and put these little loops in there. Usually drill out the holes for the off-white style laces first before I put the ropes in there. For some reason I didn't do it this time, which made the process much longer. All right, y'all. We got to fix the shoelaces. Now all it needs is the off-white style laces over top. I'm gonna measure it out, cut it out, put them on. Okay, you guys ready? Boom! That's what the shoe's looking like. What you guys think of this. If you missed more in detail, please let me know right down in the comment section. Make sure you guys drop that like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post bell to get notifications. You know me, stay positive, and we'll be back for more videos. Bye. Damn, I got a mess to clean up.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.